Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the French fade, also known as the ombre nails and also known as the baby boomer nails, with a nail form. It's not exactly a nail form. I use press-on nails because they fit my nail bed so much better. So for example, like the nail forms for me are too thin, so this actually fits my nail a lot better. And it's still easy to take off. Like, it doesn't get stuck to the nail. It's still, you wiggle it a little bit, try to use a tool or something to get it off, and it will work. So you can also use the sticky nail, the sticker nail forms. That works too. Whatever is your preference, but right now I'm going to be using a press-on nail. This kit that I'm using for the polygel set is Gershon. Gershon. I still don't know how to say that. But this kit that I use is from Amazon, and I'll leave the description down below. I do have another video where I do a full review on it, okay? So let's get started. The kit comes with a brush and a spatula, and I'm going to be using for this look white and natural pink for the fade, okay? So let's get started with the one. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to do your white first. I like doing the white first, so I'm just going to squeeze that out. Some people heat up their polygel just a tiny bit so it's easier to work with because it is pretty hard. It's your preference, and not heat it up in the microwave. I mean, like, put the tube in warm water or something. So use a little bit of white depending on how long you want the nail. And you're going to be using alcohol for your slip solution if you don't have slip solution. And remember, don't use too much alcohol because you will cause lifting. So this is going to be at the top layer, and we're going to get that as thin as we can. If you need to take some off or add some, you can. I want to take some off just to make it even thinner. Now I can move a little bit up there and thin it out even more. Make sure you get those sides nice and fit. Alright, so we're going to cure this for 30 seconds or less. It's up to you, just to nuke it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my natural pink. You're going to make that nice and thin. Make sure it's thin around the cuticle so you don't have to do much filing if you don't have an e-file. And today I'm not using an e-file. Still waiting for that in the mail. It's almost here. See what happens when you use too much liquid? It starts to lift. And if you want your nails to stay for 3 weeks or longer, you definitely need to use less liquid. I'm going to make sure you're getting those sides. We're going to add another layer after this is cured, so don't worry. Now, okay, so now we are going to cure that for 15 seconds. One more layer of the natural pink so that we can attach it to our nail. Okay, make it nice and thin around the cuticle so that you don't have to do much. Okay, so now that that is prepared, I'm going to prepare my nail bed. I'm going to be applying nail dehydrator to get rid of any excess oil. Oops, sorry. And then I'm going to be applying nail primer to give it a strong hold. Okay, now I'm going to be applying the base coat that comes in the kit. This is very thick, so you want to apply a thin layer. Okay, I'm just going to clean it up a little bit so it's not excess on the around the edges. I don't know why I was holding my hand like that. Like, that's really stupid. I should have been holding it like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and attach that to, oops. Let's attach that to our nail. You want to put it on and kind of slide it back so it can go right on that cuticle and not be overlapping it, you know? Press it down. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little thick around there. We're going to have to file that down as best we can without an e-file. Okay? Alright, sorry guys. Alright, so now we're going to cure that for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that that is cured, I'm going to use a tool just to get it off. It is a little bit harder using a press-on nail. And now we're going to go ahead and file. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure my camera is not blurry. Alrighty. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. Okay, so to finish that off, we have to apply top coat to make it nice and shiny. You can do matte if you like matte, but I like shiny, so we're gonna do a top coat for that one. The top coat soak off comes in the kit. All right. Okay, and then you want to cure for at least 60 seconds, you know. So there you have it. That is how you do a French fade. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys, bye!